We're gonna fix a boat. This beauty of a boat, okay? To get rid of like all of this because it's in the way. Look at this.
Ew. Nice.
I think I lost that when I was like 6. Okay, so we're gonna get this off, and then we're gonna have a look on the inside of the boat. So after we get this thing off, I was thinking about moving this there. But we have one problem. My mom might kill me because she parks her car there. Yo, look at this knot though. Or even the rope is rusty.
Crusty, dusty,
Rusty. I just cut it. Oh,
no, I think if we cut it, your dad will kill us.
Yeah.
6 more to go.
6 more to go. This rope is just so irritating.
It's old.
Oh,
judge it.
Look at all those dusties. Okay.
Dust.
Okay. Yo, by the way, guys, this boat is like 25 plus years old. Yeah, I got it from my uncle who passed away. So we are building this boat in his name. I was thinking like putting a sticker of his name on the boat. But let's get this off before I get sad. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
This is gonna be a lot of work. Bro,
I mean, it'd be worth it in the end.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
This is gonna be a lot of work. Just by looking at this.
Dude. Hey, there's a steering wheel.
Wow.
Wanna go for a drive?
Go for a drive?
Wanna go for a drive?
This is a lot.
Yeah.
This really is a lot. Where do we stop?
Probably by cleaning up all of this.
Yeah. So come with me. I'm gonna open this containment room. And we could probably like take all the parts and put them inside.
This boat has seen better days.
Let's do that. Keys. Keyhole. Open sesame. So we're gonna be putting everything that comes off of the boat in here. And yeah, this is not a lot of space that we have to work with. Damn, this is heavy. This is really heavy. Okay, we're gonna be right back. Let me just clean up this place. Okay, so we tidied up a bit. So we've got that area and there. So it's not a lot of space, but we will work with what we have. Also, we took off the trolley motor a while back, just because it was falling off the whole time. So yeah, we took off the trolley motor because why not? It's the first part, and I do not know yet if that works. We might connect it up to a battery and see. Okay, so we cleared out that room, and we're back at the boat now. We're gonna be looking at like what's wrong with it, everything, like every single thing.
Every single thing.
For starters, look at this though.
Hold on, move so I can. Let's show the people.
Like
this thing
it's
loose.
broken. It's literally the tail light is not gonna be on for that long. And then like these wires and stuff, bro. There's literally an Allen key that's rusted.
That's why it's so thick.
That thing has said, "Let me die." Like
it's thick with rust.
Yeah. And I don't know what's in this rope. That's actually nice rope.
It's for
tying the boat. Yeah. Okay, but I think what we should do is take off this cover and see what the engine on the inside looks like. It is a Suzuki oil injection 55 cc's. It does look quite nice. And I know this, you turn that up, and then over here, take that
turn
down.
those down. And take it off.
That comes off like a beauty, and look at this. I mean, wow, it looks it looks clean. These look nice. They're clean. Yeah, they look really nice. I would like to test these spark plugs another time. We might look at the filter as well. But if you look at that side, you can see like it looks clean. It does look clean. A bit of spider webs, but that's about it. So yeah, that looks neat.
Looks decent.
And it still has some oil in as well. Wow, that is super tight. That is really super tight, and your hand is in front of the camera. Ah, that's too tight. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to take that off some other time. Oh, I also just realized I could put this back on. That the handle is gone. There needs to be a handle here.
Maybe it's in the boat.
Like if the steering doesn't work.
Maybe it's in the boat.
This is for I do not know what. We can just have a looky. Even this wire, bro. Like, look at this. It's so old. Even.
Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of cleaning.
I wonder what this is for. Oh, that switch is not seeing the best. Bro, this boat has really seen better days.
It has. We're gonna have to do a lot of cleaning and paint. How are we gonna get paint? Because we need a lot of paint.
I don't know. That we will worry about
when we get to it.
Oh, look at the pigeon.
Bird. Bird.
Yo, that bird knows. This boat is it's gonna work one day.
Any thoughts, Bird?
Yo, content just keeps flying our way. You see what I did there? Anyways, even like if we look at the wheels on the trailer,
they're flat.
Excuse the grass.
They're flat.
Yeah, they're flat and like literally buried into the ground because this ground is so soft. So we're gonna have to take these guys off, pump them up, and then we can get the boat out.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of framework to work on. Before even touching the boat, we need to fix the trailer. Because you can't drive a boat anywhere if you don't have a trailer. But like I said, guys, this boat will be coming to life depending on you guys. So let's say if this video gets 50 likes, we will be continuing on this project. So what do you have to do?
Leave a like.
Leave a like.
Leave a comment.
Subscribe. Comment what you think this boat must be called. And
the top comment with the most, possibly with the most likes, or just the top comment in general, will be the name of this here new boat.
Okay, so yeah, check you guys in the next one.